And there's Mila back there. Telephoning. And here's this lake where we are in this quarry. Should be like really, I don't know if you can see it. They're like, there you can see it, one goldfish. There are many goldfish in here. I was just swimming and they're all kind of interested in what big mammal is swimming in this water. And there's another one, fishy. I wonder if it's hard for them to survive. I guess if birds want to eat them, they're just really easy to catch. I don't know, maybe not. They're very bright. So peaceful here. So quiet. You can hear the frogs. And there were a little Blässhühner, they're called in German. I don't know the English word. They're like black birds with a white beak, and they do like boop, boop, boop. And you could hear them yesterday evening. It was like bright till 11 o'clock p.m. So we didn't go to bed before that. Wow, that's just so nice and beautiful here. Yeah, we were just in Santiago de Compostela, and now we're heading towards Portugal. And yeah, I don't know, I think this is granite stone. You can see can you see the reflection? I don't know. Very shiny rock. And apparently you can hear like birds here. There should be some. Yesterday we met this guy. He was had this huge camera, and he said that there are rare birds here sometimes. And I asked him, yeah, can you show us some? And he said today he didn't capture any good ones. Or rare ones, I guess. Probably the bird was good. And he showed me this photo of a little bird. Orange, black and white. Red. I don't know. Also a very interesting hobby. Photographing birds. Came here with his car. And yeah, made some photos of the birds here in nature. I guess it's really nice to walk around here. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's from us. Mila's still telephoning. Wow, it's nice. Kind of reminds me a little bit of this lake where I come from the Silbersee, near Bad Kreuznach, near Verbingert. Yeah, very peaceful, very quiet here. You can hear the road back there, but still very quiet.